In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the sound not working on your Samsung TV. So whether you can't hear anything from your television or you're getting some kind of sound but it's really quiet, then this video will show you exactly how to fix this. So the first thing you need to do is just power up your television, and you're going to grab your television remote and then just press the home button located in the middle here. If you have a different model of television, this button might be located somewhere slightly different. And then this will bring up the Samsung home screen, and we just need to use the left arrow key to come all the way across to settings and press OK. You can just directly come over to your remote and press this settings button, and this will also bring up this settings window. Then just scroll down and come over to sound, and the first thing we're going to select is sound input. So just make sure you have the correct output selected here. I'm trying to play sound out from my TV speakers, so I'm just going to keep this to TV speaker. But if you do have some external speakers or some headphones or something like that connected, then you'll just need to go ahead and select that from here. And we can close back out of here, come down to sound mode. Now again, you can try playing around with all of these options. I like to keep mine on amplify, but if your sound's not working, you can try changing this to either standard or adaptive sound. Then we're going to come back again and come down to expert settings. And if you're still getting no sound from your television, what I'd recommend doing is coming all the way down to the bottom, and we're just going to go ahead and select reset sound, and then you can confirm by clicking reset. And this is going to take all of your sound settings back to their original default settings, and just doing this one step alone should fix all of your audio issues. Now if anyone is still experiencing no sound issues and you have the microphone remote control, then one proven method to solve this is by clicking the microphone button on your remote. So this is the microphone button that you'd usually use for Alexa or whatever. So just try clicking this once or twice and seeing also if your sound comes back. And that's it guys. By following all of the steps in this video, that should have now fixed any sound issues on your Samsung TV. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.